don't know where Chase is at. Yeah, have you seen Chase anywhere?
No. Honestly, no.
What the heck? Why are you in the bushes?
I'm gonna hurdle that tree.
Why are you in the bushes, Chase? What are you doing?
Oh, I said durable.
Guys, the Asians come out of bushes now. Okay. Alright, guys. Well, welcome back, like I said, to the third episode of Is It Durable. Today, we have lots of things to break.
Yes, we do.
Like this stretch Armstrong. Yeah, it's Chase's stretch Armstrong.
You know, gotta love
it's
it.
really messed up. Look at his arm. Usually it's supposed to stretch, but like it just breaks like that. So that's kind of like I just broke his foot in half. Pretty amazing. All right, well, yeah. So we're gonna be breaking this stretch Armstrong for first thing. Chase is gonna go get our other stuff. All right, first off, let's break him. Oh my gosh! What happened? I just...
Throw it up, throw it up, throw it up.
Hold on. Chase has the toilet seat. We also will be breaking that. I just smacked it.
Oh, touch it, move, move.
Oh my gosh. It's like glass. Yeah. I broke his leg and I broke his side open. Let's just keep on breaking him.
Hey.
Like honestly, we got nothing to lose.
Throw 'em up.
No. We're gonna set. We don't want to break the. We don't. It's not gonna break. It's not gonna break. Fine. All right, boys. We're gonna be just killing stretch.
That's amazing.
Chill.
I want to knock his head off.
Hold on. Oh my god. Chase, I hope you don't like the stretch.
What is this? No, look.
Look at him.
It's like gelatin.
Look at stretch.
Hello, guys. I'm Stretch Armstrong. Let me knock his head off. Okay.
Okay, Chase is no, Chase. Don't like hold him in the air and smack him, because you could like hurt yourself.
Okay.
So like, oh my god! Oh, look at it! Hey,
Oh my
we
gosh.
gotta knock his head off.
What the crap? This is so weird.
Okay, ready? Have you guys ever played golf? Well, this is... God, move
Hey,
your
don't do that.
hand.
You're gonna hurt your hand.
Ready? So, this is a tutorial to golf, so be in your position.
Oh!
All right, give me the hammer.
Have you ever won a Stretch Armstrong?
All right.
we have.
Yes, we are playing golf again. We got big rotor on the putt. Okay, that was unnecessary. We got big rotor on the putt. It looks like it's a par one. Ben pulls back for the swing.
It's a hole in one!
It's a hole in one.
Folks, you see
Wait, hold up. Let's use the sharp side.
Hello, what's up there?
Oh my gosh. All right, Mr. Stretch. Well, now that we know what's inside of you,
Is that durable?
let's break his legs.
Okay, look at his.
All right, Chase, move. We gotta break this.
Mayonnaise.
I got to
Mayonnaise.
nays.
Chill your mayonnaise.
Pretend like Stretch is a certain someone after they take a certain someone.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Oh, you know what I'm thinking?
Yep.
Yep,
Mhm.
because that's never happened.
Yeah, Chase
Yeah.
knows what I'm thinking. After he just did it with him, that's him.
Mayonnaise! Mayonnaise. Let's see if I can knock this leg off.
GG, Stretch.
You know, you
All
see
right, GG's Stretch. Like
his wonderful
honestly.
leg.
Okay. All right, next I'll go get some stuff. Let's see.
Oh, jeez, Chase. Oh, okay.
So, little foot, you know, this could be like a new little puppet. Like, you know, fill that, purchase that store for $9.99 each. I gotta love it. That's disgusting. So,
I found something.
found that ball.
Let's try to break this golf ball.
Let's
Have
do
you
it.
guys ever wondered what's on the guy's side of a golf ball? Okay. Well, we got amazing with the hammer. I don't know if you
Mayonnaise.
can see Ow! As I said, I poked myself in the eye.
Wait,
All right.
we gotta use him as a
last
backup.
but not least, guys, we're gonna be breaking this toilet seat because my parents they went out and they were like, I think we need some new toilet seats. So we all bought some new toilet seats.
We're gonna break this thing. Like, we need some. Mayonnaise.
All right, Chase, break that.
We should
Don't
break-
swing it at me.
We should break it on top of the safe.
Nah, the safe we can do next.
Okay.
All right, just start that stretch. Honestly, I feel bad for stretch. Like he's a perfectly good stretch.
You know, like actually though. See, this thing's just like falling away. Mayonnaise.
Chase,
Jeez.
break it.
Look at all that.
Dude, this thing. All right. No. Here. All right, my turn to break it.
Mayonnaise.
You clearly did not. You clearly do not know what you're doing.
Yes.
Oh my!
Mayonnaise.
It like bounced. That kind of
doesn't
scared me. Stop throwing stretch at me.
Stretch wants to be thrown at you.
No. Don't hit me.
Stretch.
Stop it.
Like,
Alright, okay.
I feel like this is gonna bounce back at me and like hit me. I'm really nervous.
Stop throwing stretch at me. This thing's not gonna break.
Told you.
Mayonnaise. All right, boys. If it doesn't break after this,
It's durable.
It's pretty durable, man. It's classified as durable.
Jeez. Hey, I'm good at baseball. I could do this.
We need a baseball bat. Do you have a baseball bat?
I do, but I don't want to. I don't want to
Do
dent.
you play baseball?
All right, boys. This thing.
Here.
We got 3 seconds.
I'll hit it.
Oh, we need a baseball bat.
I'm pretty good at baseball,
I'll grab a
honestly.
baseball bat. Please do it. We'll smack it into the forest.
But I want to do it.
But you're the cameraman.
But still.
You're in the front wall. How about you can be the
What the?
Jace? I need to find a baseball bat. Hold up.
Good
Alright,
job.
so who's gonna smack it?
Me.
Me. Ugh.
Chase looks like he will be smacking it into the forest because he did give me some good information. And yeah. So my Kowalski analysis, after hearing, ew,
Doctor.
smack it right over
Mayonnaise.
there.
It's definitely
Wait, what are you
Chase's
with?
poop. Definitely.
Definitely.
It's definitely the Asian's poop.
Yes, Asians do poop small poops. We're so gonna get demonetized for this. We're so racist. All right, smack it in there. Oh,
Jeez.
strike one. That's a strike.
Okay.
I'm gonna fetch it.
All right, give me the baseball bat. Don't throw it. Give me the baseball bat. All right, now Chase, go fetch. Fetch, Asian.
Fetch, Asian. Go, Asian.
I see it.
I have no idea where
Here,
it
Chase,
is.
follow me. Chase, follow me. Chase, follow me. Chase, I found it. Get out of the way. Chase, I see it. Right there.
I have you in my sights.
I have you.
As you can see, Asians do take
Dude, we
karate.
should go back into the forest.
Yeah, we should.
Watch it.
Later
Look for
today.
clowns.
Later today, let's go back into the forest. All right, Chase, go get.
Later day. Hey,
fetch it.
We'll put that on my other channel.
Yeah. Oh, Chase, I saw Swazi McBreezy, and I saw the clip of Hunter. Bruh.
Hey.
We have more subscribers than Swazi McBreezy. Hey,
We'll go
okay,
on that channel.
Chase, go get. Yeah, no, you're in one of Swazi McBreezy's videos.
Really?
Yeah, it's playing Fortnite, and you're in one of them. Chase is dead, and it's Hunter, and he snipes a dude out of a plane. And that was Chase. Chase, I saw your 93-meter no scope on Swazi.
Yeah, that's pretty sweet.
That was like in season 6 or something. Throw it out here. We're gonna see the damage done.
Wait, am I on a clip in any of them? No. I don't have cool enough clips to do.
All right, Chase. Throw the golf ball back. So I'm gonna smack it in the forest. And this one is gonna be like a home run. So here, give it to me.
We'll switch off.
All right. This one's literally gonna be gone forever, like Aaron Hernandez.
Yeah.
All right, move back. I'm
God.
bouncing it. I gotta get like a good, solid, clean hit. All right, boys.
Jesus.
I'll go look for it.
Jesus.
Chase, don't worry. All right, now we're gonna be breaking this safe that I have.
And he slam dunks it.
Woohoo!
Woohoo.
Alright, so I have two of these. But this one literally will not break. I'll show you it. Jace, come here into the better light. I gotta get better lighting for you guys, for the views, for the content.
For the content.
Alright, so look at it. As you can see, it's got the little turny thing. I will not
Yo,
show
put in the
you-
comments. Guess what?
Alright.
4-digit code.
Yeah, put in the comments what you think the code is. I actually might have just showed you guys the code. But okay. So,
As the Asian keeps hitting Armstrong.
you know what, guys? Do you think we should do a giveaway to the winner of who gets the code?
Yeah, I'm down.
Alright, so what should we give away? A free Stretch Armstrong.
Or anything.
We'll give you guys a free Stretch Armstrong because we destroyed this one. And we feel really bad for Mr. Stretch. So, in memory of Stretch,
Do you think it tastes good?
we will give... Ew, nasty.
I can die.
Probably. Don't eat it, stupid. Okay, so in memory of Stretch, we will be donating one Stretch Armstrong to the person who gets
The code.
the code. And I
wait,
think
how
I
much
might.
digits is it?
All right, so
much digits?
yep, that's the inside. It's just one digit. It's just one number. Like
No, it's not.
yes, you just go like this and just go, and you put it on one number. It's just one number. It's a number through
Like
120.
10, 20,
it's
30.
10, it's 10 through 120.
Yeah.
And you only get one guess. Alrighty.
However you think.
Okay, well, now let's break this code. Oh, shoot, I need to make it so you guys can't see it at any time. Okay, you ready? You ready?
Yeah.
I feel like it's just gonna break.
Okay.
Minimal
Got
damage,
a
just a
dent.
dent. Oh, see, this thing does not like to break. Look at it.
Let me see if I can break it open.
Hold up. I'm gonna use one more smack and then you can.
No,
Do it
use the sharp end.
Yeah, I know,
Yeah,
do the
sharp
end. From the bottom, from the flat side, it's just
I
gonna
still
poke
I thought I had that going.
Oh!
Okay.
Alright, Chase. It's your turn.
Yeah.
That does not break.
Do you like hammers?
I hammered the handle in. Oh! I'm gonna step back. I don't want to get hit.
Oh, he took off the handle.
Alright, now let's see if we can crack it.
Oh, I found the hammer. I found the handle.
Oh, he got it.
You broke it open? Alright, here.
One more
Look.
smack, one more smack.
Alright, here, give it to me.
Not bad. Perfect size man.
Yes.
Always.
I gotta make sure it's nice and shut.
Nice and solid.
Oh, oops, actually. Hold up. I'm gonna smack it together so that it's like smack. Guys, this is my woodwork.
Carpenter.
Ben's woodwork on just this. Yes. Go visit my woodworking shop at 29th in yourmom.com. All right.
Hey!
Okay.
Alrighty, so if someone tries to steal your money, it's definitely not durable.
Yeah. All right, guys. My final Kowalski analysis on this thing, which we thought would not break. What's our Kowalski analysis?
It broke.
It is not,
Not
durable.
durable.
Yeah, I guess so.
All right, guys. Now for the final
Finale.
finale. I thought we are going to be breaking
The mayonnaise.
this beautiful, lovely $6 billion gold trimmed, plastic trimmed, white gold painted
Okay, they get it.
toilet seat.
Hey, we should have wrote subscribe on it.
BRB.
Alright, let's get some dunking action.
Yo, we're gonna do some dunking with Chase, wherever that basketball is.
You know, I may be short, but I can dunk as well.
I know, right? Except for me, I may be tall, but I can't dunk.
So as he dunks, he goes like, Shaquan O'Neal.
Shaquan
I'm amazing at this sport.
Ah,
We're back. So let's just pretend like us introducing the toilet seat never happened.
Oh!
Oh, how did
Subscribe.
subscribe get on here? How did
So, you know-
subscribe?
You hear this subscribe button, and then
So guys, this is
You
what happens.
smash the subscribe button.
Yeah, guys, what I want you to do.
we got, is it durable? What are you gonna do? You're gonna hit that
Smash.
subscribe button.
My turn. Guys, I don't think I'm subscribed yet.
Now you
Now
are.
I'm subscribed.
You smash that subscribe button.
Hey,
Wait, what's it?
what about? Hold on, Chase.
What is that? Is that thumbs up? I think that's a thumbs up, guys. What is it? Ubisoft? Ubi Fitzgerald?
Notifications.
All right, here.
Notifications.
I don't think that I have notifications yet.
Well, now they're on.
Smash that notification.
We need to write T-Series. What do you do to T-Series?
Jace, I don't know. Are you subscribed yet? Probably not. I'll help you. I'll help you subscribe, Jace.
Also smash
Oh,
T-Series.
now you're
T-Series.
subscribed.
T-Series.
Time out. Now we got to do one more thing.
Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs
Hold on. Hold
Smash
on.
that thumbs.
Hold up. All right. So I need the pen. All right. So everybody loves.
Okay.
But everybody loves. Okay. So here is Here's PewDiePie. Sub. You need to sub to PewDiePie. Unsub
Unsubscribe to T-Series. It's coming fast.
Series. All right, boys. Chase,
No, I'm gonna.
I think you need to sub to PewDiePie.
Oh, PewDiePie! I've already done that. But, hit it again.
All right, my turn. All right, Chase, I think.
Hey! PewDiePie!
Chase.
Okay, that's good.
And now T-Series. Dang it, you messed my T-Series.
Yeah. T-Series sucks so much.
Now here's T-Series.
have to destroy it.
I need to unsub to T-Series. Never mind, I'm not subscribed to T-Series anymore.
T-Series.
Now this whole toilet seat, that's
That's the
Is-
YouTube circle of life.
the YouTube subscribe
much so.
to everybody but T-Series. So I want you to. I think my ears are. I think I'm like going deaf
Why?
because of how loud it's
Can you
getting.
hear the ring?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. That is what you need to do to everybody but T-Series. All right, guys. Well, thank you for joining us on our third episode of Is It Durable. And I want you guys to smash that subscribe button because, we're just starting. We need to kind of get big. That'd be
we do.
really fun. And we'll start doing giveaways, start giving you guys some stuff
Yeah.
like the Stretch
The more
Armstrong.
subscribers we
But
get,
you
the
best
more
believe-
views, the more stuff you get.
Yeah.
The more stuff.
So you best believe that you're putting in the comments what you think the code is. If you get it right, then we'll send you a free Stretch Armstrong in memory of Stretch,
Yes, we
Mr.
will.
Stretch. Yes.
So, more
Pray
subscribers,
for Stretch.
the
Pray
more
for
views.
Stretch.
The more subscribers, the more views, the more money we make.
All right, boys.
And so,
Well,
that's all we're going to do
that's
today.
all we're going to do today. Thanks, guys. We're going to wrap this video up. Like I said, subscribe to Is It Durable and unsubscribe to T-Series.